Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will see DP on grid and its variations. So this falls under the dynamic programming and I will be showing you most common variations for the DP on grid problem. Now what is DP on grid? In this type of problem we will be given a grid or a matrix or a chessboard or any other thing which will represent all these three things. So given a grid and we are required to find something, with some goal will also be given, and for solving this problem we will be applying dynamic programming, right? So we will be using the DP algorithm in order to solve our goal, and the goal will be solved on a structure which will be a grid structure, right? So those type of problems will fall under DP on grid problem. Now one such example is to find the minimum cost in order to reach from 0, 0 to the last cell n, m, that is from this cell to this last cell, right? So we want to find the minimum cost by which we can start at 0, 0 and reach to n, m. The coordinates can always be changed. So this is one such variation because this is just a grid. You cannot go beyond this grid, right? So there can be some other variations, like if you go beyond this grid then you will come inside this, just like you can see in a snake game. Okay, so there can be many such variations. Let us see some of the most common variations. The first variation is find number of unique ways to reach from 0, 0 to n, m. So you are given a grid and you are starting at the starting position 0, 0 and you want to reach to this n, m, which is 3, 4 in this case, right? So there can be obstacles. With obstacles, like you cannot go through certain cells, so there can be obstacles in the path, or there may not be any obstacles. So these are the two variations for this problem, and the practice problem which you will find is LeetCode number 62 and 63, which will be unique paths, and unique paths 2. This will be, I think, without obstacle, and this will be with obstacle. Okay, now let's see the second type of variation. In this problem we will be seeing the minimum cost path from 0, 0 to n, m. So you can see that we want to start at this 0, 0 and we will be adding all the values whatever is present in the path, and we want to reach to this last cell. So we want to minimize the cost on the way. So the minimum cost path will be this one. As you can see, this one is the path. Now in this problem we can be asked to start at any position and end at any other position, and we will also be given some movement constraints, like if you are starting from, let's say, 0, 0 and you are given you can move either down or right, or you can start at any other cell and you can be given some other movements. It all depends. Okay, so these all can be the variations. So the practice problem for this type will be minimum path sum or the minimum cost path, which is from LeetCode number 64. Now moving on to the third type of variation. This will be based on the chessboard type problems, and one such very famous problem is the Queen's attack problem. Now many questions can be framed using the chessboard and the properties of the game of chess. So chessboard is a grid of size 8 by 8, and you can expect that all the questions which you will be solving by using dynamic programming on a chessboard will probably be falling under DP on grid. Now fourth type will be of matrix type. If you are given a matrix, then that is also a grid, right? And common variations are like we are required to find the maximum square or rectangle, etc. in a given matrix. So I will be covering the questions, at least one question from each of the types, and this is the last variation, like I have marked it as others. So I have picked two problems for that. Now this is a unique type of problem like cherry pickup. This is very similar to the unique paths problem. Here we will be starting at 0, 0. We want to go to this n, n, and then from n, m we again want to come back to 0, 0. So we want to traverse front and then come back to the source. We want to maximize profit because we want to pick up maximum cherries, and there will be obstacles, that is certain cells we will not be able to visit because there will be thorns in the cell. So this is the cherry pickup problem, which is from LeetCode number 741. Other problem is the dungeon game problem, which I have already explained. This is from LeetCode number 174. So I have shown you 5 different categorizations for this DP on grid. So at the time of making this video, I have already covered this unique paths problem. So I'll be covering this unique paths 2 problem. For this second type, I have already covered this problem, LeetCode number 64. For this third type of problem, I will try to cover at least one question, let's say this queen's attack problem. For this fourth type of problem, I will be covering this one, maximum size square or rectangle. And for this last type, I have covered this dungeon game problem, and I will be covering this cherry picker problem. After solving all these problems, I think your DP on grid will be good and you can move on to the next topic. So I hope you will enjoy the upcoming videos on DP on grid. So please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel in order to watch more of these programming videos. See you in our next video. Thank you.